Hi, I hope you really had fun learning functional programming along with me. Now, this course was designed to teach you all of the basic constructs of the functional programming language. But Elixir has a lot more to it. The next things that you will want to learn is all about the concurrency and the OTP framework. And after you learn the concurrency framework, then you can go ahead and you can learn the awesome Phoenix framework as well. Now, coming back to this course, if you are finding functional programming to be a little difficult, it's not your fault. It takes some time, patience, and practice before you can understand functional programming language. But after you get the hang of functional programming language, believe me, you would never want to go back to your object-oriented programming or your imperative programming paradigm as well. So let me conclude this course and let me conclude this video. And do let me know in the comments how do you find this course. And you can also connect with me on my website. It's octallium.com, and also on Twitter. My handle is @Octallium. And if you're feeling generous, you can buy me a coffee. It's buymeacoffee.com/Octallium. And also do let me know if you want to learn some more concepts from me. If you would like to learn OTP framework, the Phoenix framework, or if you would like to learn mathematics and statistical modeling from me, or any other topic that you would like to learn from me as well. So that's it from me, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.